Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2003 Suzuki Intruder. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2003 Suzuki Intruder LC with 15,313 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Cobra exhaust. Powered by a 1462cc V-twin engine, the Intruder puts 67 horsepower and 84 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 4.1-gallon fuel capacity, the Intruder has a 130 to 160 mile range. It has a 27.6-inch seat height and a 644-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 730 seconds and the rear at 830 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has an owner's manual and one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.